Hello, everybody. Good morning. I am Dr. Jayanta, a medical practitioner, and this is a nice opportunity to respond to Pharmed's initiative to start a YouTube channel for both the patients and the doctors, particularly focused at the patients, the huge population of patients who are suffering from osteoarthritis. This COVID time has taught great lessons to the medical fraternities. New insights have come almost across all walks of life, and this shows very important findings to all of us, which are eye openers. To be very frank, during this COVID time, all of our attention has gone to this COVID-19 and related sufferings, to the scare, to the emotional turmoil that everybody has gone through, both the patients and also the doctors. I'm sure as a medical professional, we all have experienced that our relationship with the patient population is not just a provider and service receiver. It has got deeper meaning into it. Meaning, during this COVID time, during this lockdown, economic turmoil in the country, we have all understood as doctors what is our relationship, what is the deep bond that we share with our patients. For the patients, they wanted to meet the doctors, but they were scared to come out into the open to meet their doctors. Therefore, it has led to the change in the value chain systems, in the interactions between the doctors and the patients. There are certain emergent situations which had to come to the doctors. However, those patients who are staying at home are suffering from chronic problems like osteoarthritis. They have decided to stay at home because they could contract the COVID. Now, this points to a very important facet of the doctor's practice, both from the point of view of the patient and also from the point of view of the doctor. This means that the patients actually visit the doctors not only for the physical problems. They also visit the doctors because they seek assurances from the doctors. Now, these assurances are sometimes just mere words, but they carry immense value to the patient's mindset, symptom profile, and also their peace of mind when they are assuaged by the doctor. Coming into the case situations of the patients with osteoarthritis. Now, we know from our practice that the patients come to the orthopedicians because of the fact that they are suffering from a chronic problem, but they have a periodic visit with the orthopedicians, in the sense that somewhere in the back of the mind they think that an advice from the doctor as a booster may help alleviate their symptoms, their sufferings, and their problems. Now, in this scenario, this leads to the need for a platform where the doctors and the patients must come closer together. The other day, I was seeing that patients have started doing teleconsultations, meaning although physical contact is not possible, they still want to have a conversation from a distance with their doctors. Now, why this is needed? This is needed because the treatment is not just the healing of the tissues or the structures of the body. The treatment needs a assimilator who combines all the factors of a patient into his mind and gives the best advices that's most suitable and favorable for the patient. Now, most of the patients are searching their doctors, ways to connect with them from the internet, and telemedicine consultations is taking a full steam. As a result, in many cases, which used to happen in the pre-COVID era, that the patients will be having a physical contact with the doctor in his clinic or hospital, whatever, that is going to change. At certain point in time, the patients will discuss with the doctor first to decide whether to come to the hospital or the clinic to meet physically the doctor. Now, in this scenario, there is a need for a platform where doctor needs to come closer to the patients. And even if it is in the virtual platforms, it's needed because it's also a treatment is not only just a prescription. There is a need for discussion. There is a need for exchange of words and views. There is a need for exchange of concerns and its possible solution. So this platform, which is dedicated to the motto of Keep Joints Moving from Pharmed Limited, gives us immense opportunity to create a platform where both the doctors and the patients can come in and share their opinions, their thought processes, the recordings of the exchanges between the doctor and the patients, the concerns of the patients which gets addressed through this platform. Keeping all these points in mind, this platform, I believe, would help the whole population of the patients who are suffering from none other than a chronic disease like osteoarthritis, where there is immense suffering, limited options of treatment, and the ultimate treatment is basically mutilative. Therefore, this particular platform is dedicated to the view that there will be a free and fair exchange of information, thoughts, experiences, and good news, sharing the good news. Even it may be led to a situation where the patients can, from the doctor's advices, at least continue to do the exercises while they are homebound, they are scared to come out, and to at least maintain their diseases at a controllable level. Thank you very much. I believe this is a good opportunity, and before closing, I invite both the orthopedicians in our country and the patients to come into the platform and participate freely so that their knowledge and experiences can be useful for others. Thank you very much.